If you're following my channel, you already know that when I use my DJI gimbal, I place a sock over it, but this was one of my socks, and tonight I have to shoot somebody professionally. Ran into a girl a week ago, sung like an angel. I was like, that's the best I've ever heard, the national anthem. I was like, you do YouTube? No, I'm afraid. Blah, blah. I was like, I shoot lots of videos. Showed her my LG V20. I said, supposedly it has the best microphone out there. I was like, if you want, I'll shoot it. I'll put you up on my channel. So today we went out. We're going to take this and throw it out. And we're going to use the new one. This is how I roll. I got 3 extra batteries for my LG. And when I bought it, I got an extra battery. So basically I leave the phone on and I shut this off. So I got long life and I don't have to play games with it. And when it's in the DJI mode, it's ready to shoot anytime you're ready. Why is this thing sticking? Oh, there's another one there. So next week, promise something's fallen out of the closet. I was requested. If you follow my channel, I'm a dream walker. I did a couple things in the last week, and they told me, if you want to get that UFO, you got to prove it, why you want to get it, and why you deserve to get it. All right. This should fit perfectly. I'm going to cut it right about there. And this should fit a little bit better than the other one I had. Actually, you know something? Uh-oh. Turn it inside out, and it fits a little better. And that should work. Doesn't matter how it looks, it's how it fits. And that'll fit perfectly. Alright. Go buy your own sock. Wasn't the best cut in the world, but at least we got rid of the other one that didn't fit as well. I got a smaller child's foot. And we'll give this one a try. This one looks like it'll be perfect. You can go buy your own sock.